After the first level, functional level, we have presented the operational level, we now show you the second functional level. This level is for adjustment, for example, of an access code or for the switch on off the memory and so on. So to come into this mode, you have to push the menu button. So the red LED have to be visible. You have to push the menu button for 3 seconds. Then you can see here a code is requested. By pushing the down button, you can adjust the code. Per default, it is set up to 111. If you don't change anything here, then you can use it and that's okay. Now you have to push, by push upwards and downwards, you can modify if you like. If not, you can confirm with the menu. And now you are in the first level of this second level menu. So here you can switch on off, for example, an external flow monitor. You can switch on off a memory, which is helps you to store incoming pulse signals. In case there are more pulse signals incoming as the pump can work with, then the pump can store if the memory here is on. And after the pulses, the incoming pulses are stopped, the pump has the chance to work with this stored pulse for the next strokes. Here we have the possibility to adjust the steepness of our 40 to 20 milliampere analog signal. You can modify a little bit the curve, and you can modify also the maximum level of the strokes per 20 milliampere. That is possible, and at the end of this you come back to the normal menu again.